Today's home tip, again, we're continuing the series of how to make small changes to your home, which will have a big impact before you list your property that won't break the bank. So today is to pay attention to your windows. First off, you need to clean them inside and out. If you can't do it yourself, hire one of those cleaners. If you have a big home, you can't get to the upper levels, it's always a good idea just to get a window washer, wash them. Second thing is you're going to want to do is, believe it or not, we don't like to see screens on windows when we list a property. Take them off. Why do we do that? It allows lots of sunlight to shine in. What else do you want to do? Get rid of any thick, heavy curtains that may block out the sun. When we come to see properties, we want to see nice, bright lights. We want to see a house filled with sunlight. It just makes us feel better. And also, you want to walk to the property, see if any of the windows are leaking or they look a little foggy, which means maybe the argon in the middle of the panes have escaped and it looks like they're never going to be cleaned. Maybe call a window cleaner, a window replace. Somebody who sells windows and try to replace the panes. It could be anywhere from $200 to $600 to replace the window, the panes. But again, if you're having home inspection, those are going to get flagged anyway. So you might as well just, if you have time, maybe swap them out before you list your property. It'll have a big impact on your listing.